Hey everyone, if Brave browser is not loading pages, stuck on loading screens, or websites just won't open, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your pages loading again normally. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. A weak or unstable connection is the most common reason pages fail to load. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary loading glitch that fixes itself instantly. Now close Brave completely and reopen it. This clears temporary browser errors that can block page loading. If pages are still not loading, corrupted cache or cookies might be the issue. So clearing browsing data can help fix loading problems. Some extensions can block websites or scripts. Temporarily disabling them can help identify what's causing the issue. Brave shields can sometimes block page elements. Yeah, try turning shields off for the site you're trying to open. If the problem continues, test the same website on another browser or device. So this helps confirm whether the issue is with Brave or the website itself. Make sure Brave is up to date. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with modern websites. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Yeah, these tools can sometimes block or slow down page loading. Sometimes antivirus software or firewall settings block websites. So temporarily disable them to test if pages start loading. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This fixes deeper issues affecting page loading. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser not loading pages and get everything working smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.